This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to public a WhatsApp channel. WhatsApp channels offer a fantastic way to broadcast messages to a large audience, acting as a one-way communication tool. You can easily share updates, news, and information with your followers through text, images, videos, and even polls. These channels are designed to be public and are discoverable by anyone using WhatsApp, making them perfect for reaching a broad community with your content. Setting up your own WhatsApp channel is straightforward. First, open your WhatsApp application and head over to the Updates tab. Here, you'll see a plus icon right next to Channels. Tap on that icon and then select New Channel from the options that appear. The app will then guide you through a few simple prompts, asking you to give your channel a name and add a brief description of what it's about. Once your channel is created, it's time to make it stand out. Be sure to add a compelling profile picture and refine your channel's description to clearly communicate its purpose. To grow your audience, share your unique channel link directly with contacts or promote it across your other social media platforms. Remember, consistent and valuable content is key to keeping your followers engaged and coming back for more updates. To ensure your WhatsApp channel thrives, always aim for consistent posting to keep your audience engaged and well-informed. It's also crucial to maintain a professional and respectful tone in all your communications, always prioritizing user privacy. And speaking of keeping things fresh, if your car could use a little refresh, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Remember, a successful channel builds trust and delivers value regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.